How to fix Google Voice is not available on your country. Now, if you're trying to use Google Voice as any shortcuts that make your lives things easier, and then you're receiving that error message that says it's not available in your country. Now, the main resolution for that issue is just to use any reliable VPN that you do have in mind. So say for example, you're currently using Google Voice from your phone. Then you just have to go directly to your Google Play Store and try to subscribe or use any features from VPN and change it over to any country as long as Google Voice is available. The same goes if you're currently using your laptop or PC, you just have to download any software or any apps that you can use or at least a reliable VPN out there that you can try to change your IP or your location to the country that supports Google Voice. And that's pretty much it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix Google Voice is not available on your country.